In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload a Laravel project in the right way. There are quite a number of tutorials out there that show you one way or the other, but in this post I'll explore the right and the recommended way of uploading a Laravel project to a shared hosting account. Now, as you can see here, now I'm currently logged in my hosting account, that is in my Cpanel, and today we are going to explore how to upload a Laravel project in the right way. Now you realize there are many tutorials, but they show you one or the other, but let's look at the right way. So now the first thing here, you need to know that you can't upload your entire app or your entire application into a public _HTML on your shared hosting account. This is what I mean. So if you are planning to upload your project in your shared hosting account, you don't need to. Okay, I've seen some practice this particular way, whereby someone uploads the entire application into your public HTML folder. So you don't need to do this, and so I'm going to show you the right way in this tutorial. So now let us look at steps that will make us upload and run our project within a shared hosting account in the right way. So now the first thing you need to do that. So let's say you have created an application and you want to take it live, that is to share hosting account. So this is the first thing you want to do. So be logged in into your computer, that is into your local machine. Now where you have your project, for example my project that I have uploaded recently, it's within htdocs, and the name of the website is the Web Dev Training. So here you can see this is my Laravel project, and all the particular files that are made up of Laravel. So here you need to see the first thing you need to do here is that you need to create a zip file of your entire project. Now you can see here, since I've already done this, so I'm not going to redo it again, but these are the steps you need to do so that you can upload your project the right way. So create a zip file. For example, here I have a zip file called Cpanel host. You can give it any name that you want. So what you need to do here, you just need to come and for example, let me go to the command Control A and then select the entire project, and then from here you just need now to create, for example, you now need to create a zip file. So you need to create a zip file by going here, compressed zip folder, and then once that is done, you'll have something like this. So this is basically my entire project that is in my zip file. So once now this is done, what you need to do here is that within your Cpanel dashboard, that is in your shared hosting account, so you need now to go to your file manager. So go to your file manager. Now within your file manager, you need to create a folder. So let's say now I'm already logged into my Cpanel using my Cpanel hosting credentials. So click file manager, it will take you to the file manager itself. Now from here, what you need to do here is that you need to create a folder within your Cpanel. Now here it's already populated with the project already because I've already uploaded it already. So this is the project already in my Cpanel. So now this is the now when you are in your Laravel, so this is the folder I've created, and this is the particular Laravel folders and files, as you can see, which are basically the same as in my local host, which is this one. So what you need to do here is that you need to go to your file manager, and then now you need to upload the particular zip folder. So here when I click upload here, I should be taken to the upload, and then from here you just need now to click the upload button, so you are able to upload the particular zip file. So here I go to my XAMPP, and within my XAMPP I go to htdocs. Now within htdocs, here I have the project. So now this is the Web Dev Trainee, and then now this is the particular file. So now when I go back, sorry, that is by clicking this open, here I'm able to open the particular file within my cPanel. Now since I've already done this, so I can't overwrite it, so that one I will click no. So that is how you do it, and then this will just take several minutes, just depending on your internet connection. And so now once that is done, you need to ensure that your Laravel folder, you can give it any name. You can give it Laravel, or you can give it the name of your project. So mine, I just chose to give it Laravel, as you can see. Now once you have uploaded your zip file, there's something I'm forgetting here. Now what you need to do here is that within, this is a folder you have created, so within that folder is where you're going to click here, and then you're going to extract the particular zip folder, so that once you extract the particular folder, it will have this particular, that is, it will extract all the files that are within the zip folder, and then your Laravel project will be, as you can see here, where we have all the folders and the files respectively. So that is how you start with, so that now this folder will have all the Laravel folders and files. Now the next thing after that is so what you need to do here is that you'll also have now the public HTML. That is, yes, the public HTML. Now what you need to do here is that once you have your Laravel folder and you have extracted every folder and file, now you need to go to the public folder within your Laravel project. So you just locate the public folder. Now this public folder is the one that has the assets such as the CSS, JavaScript, images, and fonts. So now you need to go for that file. Now since I've already extracted, so let me just show you what is here. Now you need to locate, that is this public folder. Now this public folder has the CSS, images, styles, storage, and every other particular file that is contained with this. So what you need to do here, you need to extract this particular, sorry, you don't need to extract, you need to copy all the particular folders and files within this particular folder, and then you need to move them to the public HTML. So now when I click the public HTML, it has all the CSS, the JS, images, and fonts. So now this is the file that has the particular public HTML. So it has the CSS, the images, the JS, the public, the storage, and any other file that you need to find in the public HTML. So now what we have said here, you need to go to the public folder. Within your public folder, you need to copy all these particular files. So once you have copied them, that is, now you'll be doing it in the shared hosting account, whereby you'll have to copy all of them from this particular folder and then take them to public_HTML. Now the next thing you need to do here is that you need to locate another file called index.php. Now this file is found within the public HTML, that is public_HTML. So you need to have this file here. That is, whenever you copy all the particular credentials that within the public folder, you will have that particular file within, which should be this one. You can see it here. So now within this file, you realize that this is the file that has that is the file that starts your Laravel. That is, any particular Laravel application, for it to be loaded, it comes to look for this file so that it can have this particular function, and then within this particular function, it is able to start your particular application. So now what you need to do with this file is that you need to change this file directories. For example, you can see here I'm having the required directory, that is should be this one. So for example, you have the required directory vendor_autoload.php. So what you need to do here, you need to locate this file now within your shared hosting account. So click, then click edit. So you'll be presented with this file. So what you need to do here is that, as you can see here, I've commented out this particular line of code. So what you need to do here is that you need to change this directory to read the Laravel folder that you have created, and then so that it can load it from the particular file, that is particular path URL, as you can see. So this is the first, so you just need to copy this particular code. So I'll leave with you my website whereby you can go and check this particular code and change it, as you can see here, or you can just copy it. Now the other one you need to change is also the app require once directory, that is with the bootstrap. So this one is involved in loading the bootstrap and any other particular, that is, it runs the application by following this particular path of the bootstrap and then within the app.php. So what you need to do, you need to change it to this particular folder that you have created so that it can get the right path for running this particular project. So that's it, guys. So you just need to change that, and then once you're done, just save and exit. Now the next the next one you need to go is you need to look for your server.php and edit the following. So now within, let's go back to the folder that we have copied our Laravel folders and files. So now within this particular folder here, look for this file called server.php and then click edit. So once you click edit, you are presented with this as well. So now within this file, you also need to change this particular line of code here, require once directory public index.php, so that it can now read the public _HTML. Remember, we have copied all the public files, folders and files into the public _HTML. So you just need to have this copied as such. So you just need to change that, and then you're good to go. So you save it and exit. So up to there, you are good to go with your Laravel project, and it will start running as expected. So another thing you may do, you also need to create, you can also enhance, you can set file permissions for some folders, such as that is, for example, let's say the storage. Remember, for example, the storage. Remember, the storage is the one that has the pictures, the images, and any other particular file that is rendered within your Laravel application. But basically, this one has the images and so forth. So what you may do here to enhance security of your application and so forth, you may want to set this particular storage file, for example, by clicking this, and then you change. For example, you can see mine I've set to this particular file permission. So you may want to do this similarly, so that once your Laravel project is being read, you can the file permissions, they may not be accessible by any other people within your application. So you may want to do that. So what you need to do here, you just need to set as I've shown, and then as well you can also set for the other particular folders and files within your application. So you can also go and just click Control A, sorry, not Control A, but Control, and then you just Shift, and then you just select all the particular files. For example, let's say Shift, and then right click, and then you can change the file, all of them that you can change. That is the permissions for all the files within your application. For example, the read, the write, execute, and so forth. Alright, so this will enhance security of your application. And then as well, now you need to know that that is all the, we also have the .env file within your application. For example, within Laravel here, that is in my folder Laravel here, I have my .env file, but I will not show it to you for security purposes. But what you need to do is that you need to add all the environmental variables which you have used from the local development server, and add them to your production application server. So within now your production here, you may want to change, that is, you may want to add all the environmental variables that you had already in your local file here, so that they may read respectively. So within your .env file, you may want to change these particular credentials so that it may read appropriately. So I did a tutorial on how to send an email with Laravel application. So whereby I touched on the .env file and how to configure, for example, the password and any other particular passwords and any other credentials. So you may want to go and check that particular video. You may just find it on my YouTube channel, and you will be able to see. But basically what you need to do is just add the environmental variables and you're good to go. Now if you need to follow this tutorial very well in a more detailed way, and probably you like to read much, you may just go to Web Dev Training and look for the how to upload a Laravel project to a shared hosting account. So I'll leave this URL just below the description so that you can just go and read. So I've explained it in detail in my website, so you may just go and check it out so that you may see how you can do it the right way. You can also copy this particular code snippet if you need it, and so forth. And as well, you can also check, there are also other tons of tutorials that I've done already, basically on Laravel and other technologies, that is other languages. So you may also want to check it out. So if you have any question, post it in the description below. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it with your friends. Anyone you know that needs such a tutorial to upload a Laravel project to a shared hosting account, you may want to share this particular tutorial. So let's meet in the next video.